Guys, this is the 2808, just come into the country, one of our brand new guns. Extendable stock, gravity fed system, really good gravity system. It's basically, you can still use this as a gun sight. It has a tube that goes through it, so basically all the BBs that you put in here go around it and drop down, so you can still see through it. Very clever design. One better than that though, excellent design. Pop out the magazine. Magazine's actually the battery. I'll just show you the charger. Okay, UK mains charger. Plug on the end. Simply insert into the mag. Charge it up. Please look at our charging instructions on the FAQ page of our website. Whatever you do not bridge these, you'll damage the battery. Pop it back into the gun. Let's fill the hopper up with BBs. I'm using the .12 brand Bulldog. If you haven't used the Bulldog yet, take a look on our website. We are now the official distributor for Bulldog in the UK. A fantastic product. Let's put in the .12. Just pour them in. Close up the mag. So this gun has no semi-automatic, so it's safety or full automatic. There is no semi with this gun. Extend the stock. Very good rate of fire. Never misses a shot. These new gravity fed guns are very good quality. With the other gravity fed, if you didn't line it up exactly, they would miss shots. This one is just awesome. Incredible rate of fire. Very good gun. Per second is over 200, between 2 to 250. Very good. Incredible. Almost out. Yeah, we're out. Fantastic gun. Have a look on the website. It's there now. Brilliant design. Like it a lot.